Hello guys, good evening. So it's almost time for dinner. For dinner tonight is chicken adobo. I've been living in Holland now for a couple of years, but still I eat Filipino food every day. I try to eat rice. Well, I like mashed potato, fries, but I prefer to eat rice every day. And for the Dutch guy, we have his sausage, and I will make mashed potato for him for dinner. What's cooking right now is chicken adobo. It's really easy to make. So what are the ingredients? Soy sauce. I always put fish sauce in it. Fish sauce, okay. And the other type of soy sauce, the ABC soy sauce. Vinegar. What's this? Garlic. Pepper. And I like it a little bit hot, so I put chili powder in it. Basically, it's really simple and easy to cook. Just mix all the ingredients together. Cooked it in slow heat, and then wait until all the liquids have evaporated, and serve it with white rice. Well, see you later. Goodbye, chicken. So let me just take the flight status of the bird. Well, the eagle has landed. Okay. And this is the sausage. I boiled it first in water, and then I'll put some oil in it to fry it. Wow. If you can smell this, guys, really nice. So my white rice is done. Just waiting for the rest of the food, and we can start our dinner tonight. You look at this. This will be the gravy or the sauce for the mashed potato for Robin. And what's the status of my adobo? Well, we're getting near. All the liquids is almost gone, evaporated, and then it's time to eat adobo. So dinner's ready.
Big one. No, I have two.
Sausage served with applesauce and a beetroot.
Very good for your stomach.
Okay, eet smakelijk.
Thank you.
Even toasten. Cheers. Okay. Dutch food.
Orange.
Filipino food. This is it. Adobo chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. Kain tayo. Oh, masarap, Robin? Lekker?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, enjoy it. I'll be eating as well. Whoa, another load of rice. Well, after cooking for an hour, this is the result. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Okay, see you next time with my cooking adventure. Bye. This is just the amount of rice I'm gonna eat today. Only this. More of the chicken, less carbohydrates to lose weight. So we are done eating. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe.